Commandé l'armée portugaise, 1 km du champ de la bataille. Le monastère a having this mountain, the same material they used for the construction of the shrine of Fatima, Bulgaria. They have toilets. You need to go downstairs here in the garden. Just go downstairs. You have their public toilet.
So guys, now next is okay. So now next, nandito kami sa Bathala Monastery. And this is a Gothic style monastery. It was first built, it was in 1386. Wow! Very Gothic talaga siya. Ayan yung church. Wow! Super nice! Ang ganda. So, yung history nitong monastery, si King, may war yung Portugal. Ang ganda oh. So, yung story nito is may war si Portugal and Spain during the 13th century. So, yung king nila, si King John I, nag-pray siya kay Mama Mary na pag pinanalo sila sa battle, he will build her a monastery. And right then, nanalo sila. So, this monastery, it's built near the last battle. So, ayun. Andito rin actually yung tomb ng family ni King John I. So, it is a Gothic style and na-finish siya like after 200 years. Ganda oh. Ito yung monastery. So, ang tawag sa kanya is Bathala or Bathala means Battle Monastery. Ang ganda nun. Alam mo yung maano mo talaga siyang medieval time. Kasi yung mga 20 castles. Titignan natin yung harap. Actually, may church din siya kaso may extra bayad yung pagpasok sa church. Wow! Ito yung harap. Mas maganda. Puro tayo sa gilid. Ang ganda. So guys, if you wanna go here, we booked our tour sa Klook, which is only 4,600 per person. Mapupunta nyo na yung Fatima, itong Bathala. Tignan nyo naman. Wow! Yan yung facade, front facade. Grabe oh, tignan nyo yung mga details. Very good. Bakit? Nakalisod yung stage. Para ma-appreciate mo the detail. Oo, para siyang castle sa Beauty and the Beast. True. Naki-fade na nga yung ano. Grabe yung entrance. Tignan mo naman yung entrance. Look at that entrance. Wow. Oh. Amoy ano rin luma. Pero, oh wow. Ito ang entrance. Grabe. Long entrance. So, ito yung church na medyo may entrance fee siya. Parang nga siyang Beauty and the Beast. Pero ang taas ng ceiling. Grabe, no? Grabe ito. Taas ng ceiling. Baka medyo amoy lupa na talaga siya. Huh? Gothic style. Ano? Kung gano'n nakatagal dito to, no? Okay, now we'll look at the same side ng church. Tignan natin yung likod ng church. Alam niyo yung mga Gothic style na mga pointy, ayun na. Mahalataan na siya talaga sa design eh. Yung other side. Ganda oh. Let's go. So that's the battalion. Other view of the
Monterey is well known Portugal as a summer spot with their summer vacations. It's mostly in July and August. It's the time when children have their school holidays. And many Portuguese families go to Nazaré. They have the option to choose a hotel room or rent an apartment or a house. You can rent them for the day, for the week, for the month from different countries across the world. And they come mostly in winter time. It's when you have the giant. Es una cereza amarga. Utilizando esta cereza, los frailes empezaron haciendo un licor aquí le hambre con una plancha de surf y la cabeza es la cabeza de un venado, la mer. Et quand on a vu la planche de surf dans la main, mais la tête, c'est la tête d'un chevreuil. E daqui vamos parar aqui no estacionamento, vamos caminhar.
So guys, nasa Nazaré kami. So dito naman para siyang holiday capital ng not holiday pero kasi malapit siya sa beach. So madaming mga vacation house here and known siya sa surfing. And it has a record of the highest wave, which is like 30 feet daw siya. So meron din ditong like monastery. Okay. Wait lang, may cart. So meron din ditong monastery na Nazaré. Yeah. So here daw siya. Ayan, malapit kasi coastline na siya. So I think ito yung mga vacation house. Ayan yung beach eh. So guys, yung mga kasama namin, nalilikaw din sila kasi hindi naman kami sinasamahan. Sinasabihan lang na, okay, turn right, turn left. So we're not sure kung dito ba talaga. Pero feeling ko here. Ayun no, kita mo yung beach. Ayan. So parang vacation spot pala to eh. Diba? Kasi turn right daw eh. Or kabilang right. Halika, balik tayo. Kabilang right. So, dun pala. Wrong ano ka. Ayun! Wrong walkway. Oh. You should definitely wear comfy shoes. Because there's a lot of rocks. And my shoes is not rock friendly. Doon tayo sa cobblestones. Ayun na yung monastery. So, ayun yung monastery. As you see, stones talaga siya. As in, yan yung pathway. So, ito guys yung monastery. And near siya ng sea. Near siya ng coastline. Kaya, medyo mahangin. Medyo I should just watch my steps. Oh, cute! Yan. Dahil sa medyo mas... So, ito daw, meron din another miracle from the Mary of Nazareth. Sabi, there's like a congressman or something. Basta politician siya, a guy, who is hunting for a deer. Then yung deer tumalon sa cliff. Hindi alam nung guy. So, parang nagkasya siya sa Nazareno with his horse. Sana huwag matuloy yung cliff. So yun. Nagkasya siya. So, na-save siya. Kaya yung deer din dito is parang a symbol of Mama Mary. Oh, ito yung loob ng Nazareth. Ayan yung loob niya. church lang din siya. And I think it is built around 12th century. Maliit nga lang. Super detailed, though. 12th century pa to. Ayun. Ayun yung mga point ito. Ito yung auto. Ayun detailed. After yan, pupuntahan din sa parang viewpoint overlooking siya to the sea. Then, meron din statue doon nung first American na pumunta dito for surfing. And then, naging parang surfing spot na tong Nazareth. So guys, all of these are tourists booked in Klook. So, one-day tour siya from 9 a.m. hanggang 7 p.m. And it's only for like 4,600 per person, and I think very na siya, affordable kasi 5 spots na yung pupuntahan niyo. So ayan yung parang view po. Ganda ng view. Ayan, dito to sa Nazareth. Ang bango, amoy inihaw, alam mo yung amoy outing. Ayan. So medyo lalapit tayo sa beach. Meron din churros. Ayan. May churros stand. You'll buy later. Kasi we're only given like 40 minutes to explore the area. Let's go. Ayan, madami yung mga snacks here. Yung viewpoint. Kapit tayo dito. Oh, it's so nice. Ang ganda. Wow, ang ganda. Yung photographer ko. Oh. Yan, pag summer. Dito yung highest record na wave. Yan, this is from Nazareth. Yan. Ito yung Nazareth. Guys, ito, sikat siyang liquor here. Old Jinja. It's made from a very special cherry wine na gawa dito sa Portugal. Then, how they usually eat it is very, parang tequila shot lang siya kasi medyo matapang. It's around 20% alcohol. And then, after nun, sasabayan nila ng chocolate. Nagawa din sa Jinja or with a little bit of cherry. We'll buy churros. You should try. Shop around here. We bought a churro. And I take it, filled siya. Nakaya. It's bursting. Ito tela, medyo malabig na siya. Pero, super filled. Like, fully filled siya ng Nutella feeling. Ice cream. Okay. Si brother, gutom. Nagpo-food trip si kuya. Nag-ice cream daw kami. Grabe yung Nutella. It's like, you need water afterwards. I want some drinks. Cold. Let's go. Gift shop then. Total viewpoint.
Óbidos tem cerca de 3 mil habitantes, dos quais apenas 48 the Roman built the wall to protect the population against the enemy attacks. A quarter before 6 will be early. Okay?
Okay. Last stop, it's Obrigado. It's a walled city. Ano ba? Mali pala ako. Ay, ano siya? Obidos. Okay. So, last stop is Obidos. So, it's famous for a walled city. Para siyang Intramuros kasi during the wartime, nag-build sila ng walls to protect the city. Pero, in some areas, sinira na nila yung walls kasi nga dumadami na yung population. So, for housing, dito, hindi nila sinira yung wall. Siya na yung parang main, ano nila, income here is tourist. So, ayan. Wall City. Talaga pala. Para siyang medieval. Marami na pumupunta. So, ito na yung spot namin. So, dito pala famous yung Jinha. Dito ginagawa. Yung Jinha liquor na made of cherry. Sour cherry with the 20% alcohol. Tapos, gusto nila yun after the liquor na parang tequila shot. Sasabayan mo ng chocolate. So, ayan yung Walled City. So, talaga siyang may harang siya. That is ready for war. Para siyang Intramuros natin siguro nun. Kasi ganun yung mga style eh. Para siyang brickstone wall. Ooh. Pero ito very So, ayan yung ito yung sa loob ng Walled City. And actually, sabi ng aming tour guide, there's only 3,000 yung population nito, and 48 of them, only 48 of them is living inside this Walled City. So, ayan siya. Ang cute naman. Para kami nga sa Greece. Ang cute ng mga houses. Cute. Ang cute small alley. Ayan yung sikat na Jinshi Hakao. Right? Ang cute ang cute ng alley. Ang ganda. Very aesthetic. Gusto mo? Yan, okay. We'll try this. Ooh, there's chocolate. So, we will try. Oh. Thank you. It's a shot ng coffee.
Oh.
Ano?
That's good.
Good. Delicious. Mura lang. Kinakain niya.
This one?
Shot siya. Sarap. Mura lang pala eh. Mura lang guys. It's just a $1. Mura lang. Ito, chocolate shops. Of course, as a sweet girl. Ooh. I think may ano to eh. Siguro liquor siya. Or ano. Ito. Wow, in my interview, how was it?
Tastes like a tequila on the sweeter side.
Oh, okay. Hindi kasi ako drinker. I'm not a drinker, so it tastes like a tequila. Tapos, ano kasi siya? Parang siyang chocolate shot. Ayan, very sweet. Mahaba pa siya. Yung library. Parang fair po yung chocolate. Chocolate cost like $8. Oh. Intramuros na eh. Mura lang pala yung ginginhe. 150 lang guys. It's €1.50. So magkano lang in peso? Like 100 pesos. Parang nga siyang grease eh. For me.
Ito yung coffee mo.
Okay, na-addict na ata siya sa shot. At magsha-shot siya ulit. What? Are you gonna take another shot?
Tingnan mo lang.
Okay. I'll try. Chicken store. Sarap siya. Actually, sweet siya. Sweet siya pero parang siyang traidor sa huli. Kasi natatang eh. So, it's good.
Sugar is more, 999. Yes.
Mura lang pala po.
Pero ilang amount yung question?
Hindi. Check-in naman eh. 10 kilos yung pabalik.
No, di ba may certain amount ng
Alcohol? No.
No, yung liquid. Diba?
Hindi. Pag check-in, wala. Pag handed,
Is that carry-on?
no. Kasi handed, lang.
This one. Stands here.
May church pa here. Yan yung Obrigado. Obidos Obrigado. Dulo may church pala. Sa dulo may church pa. Let's go eat. Cute naman ng nuka.
Thank you for watching and see you in my next vlog. Like and share, subscribe. Bye!